We are out at Negwagon State Park on the coast of Lake Huron, and we have found a pitcher's thistle.
The pitcher's thistle is a unique kind of plant. It requires very specific environmental conditions to go through its life cycle. They live in sand dune areas on the coastline and will spend the better half of a decade spreading its roots down into the ground. Communications associate with conservation group Huron Pines, Chris Engel, says the lack of these kinds of habitats make it difficult for the pitcher's thistle to thrive.
So this coastal dune and swale habitat is very rare in northern Michigan. There's only a few pockets where places like this exist.
Another threat to this plant is the invasive species spotted knapweed. It's known to outcompete native plants, taking in more nutrients and starving the surrounding vegetation. Huron Pines is located and is now working to remove spotted knapweed from Negwagon State Park in Ossaneek, where pitcher's thistle has been found.
Locally, we're working with Friends of Negwagon State Park to inventory pitcher's thistle here on this coastline and then remove spotted knapweed with the help of volunteers.
Engel added that because it's a native species, pitcher's thistle plays a large role in its community.
Whether it's a food source for native animals or insects, or it produces seed that's eaten by native birds. Its blossoms are used by pollinating insects like beetles or the monarch butterfly. So just like any native plant species, it has an integral role in its native community.
Engel says it's a good feeling to help keep the pitcher's thistle alive in northern Michigan.
Makes me feel good to be in the presence of plants like this and to see them thriving here in such a beautiful place too. It's great.